Imagine being in the Wild West during the gold rush, but instead of a pickaxe, you have a digital wallet, and instead of gold, it's cryptocurrency. Picture this, you're in the midst of a modern-day gold rush, where the digital nuggets are not just shiny but hold the potential to revolutionize the global finance market. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a decentralized digital currency that's been making waves and fortunes for those brave enough to venture into its volatile landscape. Now, where does one find this digital gold, you ask? Well, there's a virtual gold mine brimming with crypto potential called Coinbase. Think of it as your digital gold panning kit, a platform that lets you buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. It's a gateway to the crypto world, helping you navigate the swirling rapids of the digital currency market. So put on your virtual mining hats, folks, because we're about to dive into the world of Coinbase. Just like the best gold mines had the richest veins, the best crypto platforms have the most features. Enter Coinbase, the digital marketplace that's been turning heads and making waves since its inception in 2012. This San Francisco-based platform is the go-to destination for all things cryptocurrency. From buying and selling to storing and transferring, Coinbase has got you covered. It's like the Swiss Army knife of crypto platforms, but instead of a corkscrew and a tiny pair of scissors, you get a secure wallet and a user-friendly interface. Coinbase has a reputation for being one of the most trustworthy platforms in the industry, which is no small feat in the Wild West of the digital currency world. It offers a variety of services, including educational resources for the crypto-curious and advanced trading features for the seasoned pros. Now that you know what Coinbase is, let's explore how you can start digging for your digital gold. Getting started with Coinbase is as easy as finding a nugget of gold in a river. Well, almost. Now before you start panning for crypto gold, you'll need to set up your account. Picture this as staking your claim in the digital gold rush. Head over to Coinbase.com and click on Get Started. It's like a big, shiny, inviting X on a treasure map. You'll need to enter your name, email, and a strong password. Remember, this isn't the time to use your pet's name or your favorite movie. We're talking about your digital gold mine here, so make it secure. Next, you'll be asked to verify your email. Think of this as your secret handshake with Coinbase. They'll send you an email with a link. Click on it, and you'll be whisked back to Coinbase, now a verified user. Now, onto the next step, verifying your identity. No, Coinbase isn't trying to steal your identity like some sci-fi movie villain. It's a standard process to prevent fraud and ensure you're you. You'll need to upload a valid ID. A passport, driver's license, or national ID will work. Once your identity is verified, it's time to set up your payment method. This is your gateway to the crypto gold mine. You can link your bank account, debit card, or even use a wire transfer. It's like choosing your trusty pickaxe for mining gold. After setting up your payment method, take some time to explore the platform. It's like your personal gold mine, teeming with different cryptocurrencies. On the dashboard, you'll see your portfolio value, recent activity, and the price trends of different cryptocurrencies. And there you have it. You've staked your claim, chosen your pickaxe, and familiarized yourself with your new gold mine. And voila! You're ready to start your crypto journey. But wait, how do you actually buy and sell on Coinbase? Buying and selling on Coinbase is like trading gold nuggets, but with a lot less dirt involved. Imagine you're a prospector in the Wild West of the crypto world. Your pickaxe, a click of a button. Your gold pan, the Coinbase platform. Let's dive into how you can strike digital gold on Coinbase. First things first, you need to choose your cryptocurrency, your nugget of choice. Coinbase offers a vast array of cryptocurrencies to choose from. Bitcoin? Check. Ethereum? Check. Coin named after a cute dog breed? Double check. Remember, each crypto has its own unique features and value, so do your research. It's like choosing between gold and silver nuggets, each with its own allure. Next, you'll need to place an order. On Coinbase, this is as simple as clicking on the Buy-Sell tab at the top of your dashboard. You'll enter the amount you want to purchase, either in your chosen crypto or in your local currency. It's like telling the shopkeeper how many nuggets you want, without the pesky haggling. Now you might be wondering, what if I want to sell my nuggets? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Just go to the same Buy-Sell tab, click on the Sell option, select the crypto you want to sell, and enter the amount. It's like walking into the gold exchange, nuggets in hand, ready to cash out. But remember, timing is everything. The crypto market is a roller coaster ride, so make sure you're buckled in and ready for the ups and downs. It's not for the faint-hearted, but then again, neither was the gold rush. And there you have it. You've bought and sold your first crypto without getting a single speck of dirt under your nails. Who knew prospecting could be so clean? Congratulations! You've just bought and sold your first cryptocurrency, but the question remains, is Coinbase a good investment opportunity? Now, we all know that not all that glitters is gold. So is Coinbase really a good investment opportunity? Coinbase, folks, is more than just a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrency. It's a gateway to the burgeoning world of digital assets. With its user-friendly interface and robust security measures, it has become a go-to for both newbies and seasoned investors. But let's not forget, the crypto market is like a Wild West rodeo, thrilling but unpredictable. Coinbase's value is tied to the fortunes of this market. So while the rising tide of cryptocurrency may lift Coinbase's boat, remember that the sea can also be stormy. On the upside, Coinbase's status as a regulated entity in the US gives it an edge, providing a level of trust and security that many other platforms lack. So there you have it, folks, Coinbase in a nutshell. But remember, just like in the gold rush, the key to success is patience and persistence.